Hello guys, my name is Chetan Wadadia and today we are going to study about complements of a set, class 11th maths chapter number 1 set. This is the last concept that we are going to study. So what is complement of set? Let us start. You can see, let U be a universal set and a subset of U. Suppose, let me give you an example. Suppose you are having a universal set with Venn diagram U containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your universal set and a subset of U. Yes, please keep this in mind. Your A should be a subset of U. Let me take it as 1 and 2. Then the complement of A is the set of all the elements of U which are not the elements of A, So what are the complement of A? Suppose this is your A, carry 1 and 2, and this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 universal. So what will be the what will be the complement set of A? A dash will be the remaining term in the universal set out of A, instead of A, whatever the remaining. So you can see this 1 and 2 are already here, so we need to just remove that. So A dash or the complement of A will be directly 3, 4, 5. So this is complement of A. Now in respect, symbolically, A, to denote the complement of A with respect to U, we can say, means just we can write down A dash. A dash is also the complement of A, both are same. We need to write down A dash, that is complement of A. And you can see, if you write down in the form of a roster, you can write down like this: A dash equals to X is to X belongs to U, where X does not belongs to A, means A dash does not belongs to this. Now A dash directly also you can do like this: A dash equals to U universal set minus A set, or complement of A will be universal set minus A dash. Let us solve by some examples so that you will be able to understand properly. Let me erase. Okay. Now suppose you are having one universal set and you are having a set A that is subset of U. Find A dash. So directly A dash equals to U minus A. You can say, let me subtract U minus A. This also will, you can see. So the remaining, if you subtract U minus A, the remaining are your A dash or complement of A: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very simple. This is very simple. But here some rules are there that you need to follow, and special names are there. You can see some properties of complement sets that you need to understand. Now here, first rule: A union A dash equals to universal set. As I said, if your universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your A is 1, 2, we know that your A dash will be 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2 union 3, 4, 5 will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is universal set. So same way, A union A dash will be equals to universal set. A intersection A dash will be null set. As I said, 1, 2 and A dash is 3, 4, 5. So if you will try to make an intersection, no common elements, so directly null set. Now here De Morgan's law. This is little bit important, so I'm explaining with the help of some example. Let me, yes, you can see De Morgan law. First, suppose you are having one universal set that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and they are telling A union B, means here two elements are there. A, suppose let me take A as 1, 2, B as 2, 3. Both are subset of universal set, you can see. Now A union B dash we need to find. So first of all we will find A union B. So A union B will be 1, 2, 3. Now A union B dash we need to find out. So universal set minus this A union B, universal set minus this. So if you will subtract this 3 and this 3 will go, so A union B dash will be 4 and 5. So this is the answer for this part. Now we need to prove that this is equals to A union B dash is equals to A dash intersection B dash. So your what will be your A dash? Here your A is 1 2. So what will be your dash? A dash will be, if you remove this 2, 3 4 and 5. What I have done, U minus A dash. Now U minus B will be B dash. So if you remove this 2 and 3 out of this, 1 4 and 5. Now what they told, you need to do intersection of these two. So A dash intersection B dash. So if you will do, you can see these are common, so that will be 4 and 5. You can see these two answers are same. Okay, so this is De Morgan law. Similarly, on the same manner you can prove this also, guys. So please keep this in mind and try to solve by yourself. Very simple. Law of double complement. Yes, you can see complement and again complement will give you the same term. A dash will be the remaining part, and again if you find out complement of A dash, and that will be again is to A only. So A dash and again A dash means 2 times. If you will find complement, that will be equal to the same element which you had selected. This is called law of double complement. Now universal set, and if you find out complement of universal set, that will be equals to null set, because all the elements are already here. If you want to find out complement of universal set, that will be null set, and complement of null set will be universal set. These are simple things you can easily understand, guys. So this way we can complete this law, and we have studied about complement of sets, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. All the students of India, USA, Canada, UK, Australia and other countries can join me for more videos.